Good afternoon viewers, let's see this unboxing of the Lsailt Angel video interface for Lexus. Go cartoon here, let's open it first. See, this is the main boxes for it, marked with LKSS 7.4.3N. All connectors, ports are here, and this is the DIP switches. Put it alongside first. Okay. LBDS connection for transmit the image signal. The main power connector. This is used to be transmit the signal between the car head unit and the media interface box. You can see the connectors here. Okay, see. Same as the new Lexus NX, ES, LS, UX, and some other car. GPS antenna, little speakers to play only the navigation audio signal. USB cable. And remember, this is crucial for CarPlay installation. And this is the transfer of the signal between the car screen and then magic sticker, 3.5 jack, AUX jack. The touch signal transmit, optional. And the remaining two is the audio and video signal transmit, like if you want to install the headrest monitor or the rear view, your EDS. Okay, that's it. Thank you for watching. Goodbye.